I would like to place my appreciation for Dr. Rizwan and his team for having conducted this program so well. It was a very good program. I had expected that it would be very tedious, but somehow it kept us involved all the while, and it kept us on to be alert, and there was much which we learned from the whole program. Essentially, the program shows that we have some inner strength, we have inner abilities which we need to recognize, and also keep the bigger picture in view of development of your nation, your system, your society, or your institution, and progress ahead, keeping in mind with the intention of serving the society, not just for your personal interest. And when we try to work as a Karmayogi to serve the society, it also enriches us. It's a two-way system. The system benefits from your dedicated, sincere work, and you benefit indirectly from doing it well. Thank you. So, thank the whole team for having conducted it so well. Thank you.